Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Few months back we did the review of the iWOWnFit i6 Pro fitness tracker, and today we have the upgraded version with us from iWOWnFit, and it's the i6HR color variant. So let's do the unboxing and find out how this fitness tracker performs. We got this fitness tracker from iWOWnFit, and the price of this fitness tracker is $28 on aliexpress.com, which is somewhere around 2000 rupees. And if you like this tracker and wants to buy one, I have provided the links to buy in different countries in the description below. So here is the box. The packaging is really simple as compared to what we have seen in the i6 Pro. In the front of the box we can see the fitness tracker, and then we have the model name written i6HR-C at the bottom. At the back we have some features such as wireless syncing, notifications, caller ID, all-day activity, sleep tracking, alarm and heart rate monitoring. So let's open the box and see the content now. That's really a surprise, we have an additional band along with this fitness tracker. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have here. So we have the user manual, which has the instruction to pair this tracker with your phone, and the instructions are available in different languages. And as I said earlier, we have the additional band for this tracker. It's really good to see that the company has included a free band. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's see the fitness tracker closely. This fitness tracker has the premium build quality, and the silicone band is also of good quality. The band we get with this tracker is a traditional style, but if you prefer the push button, then you can switch to the other band which you get with this tracker. The weight of this fitness tracker is only 20 grams and it's feather light. There is a 0.96 color touchscreen, and the good thing about this tracker which I really like is the auto brightness, which adjusts the brightness of the screen according to the environment, and for that we have the sensor on the top of the tracker. The screen is IPS LCD, which has a good color output, and it is also visible during direct sunlight. In terms of comfort, this tracker is lightweight and is really comfortable to wear. The design is pretty good and it also looks good on your wrist. At the back of this tracker we have the heart rate sensor, and this tracker does a continuous heart rate monitoring throughout the day, which I will show you in a moment. In order to charge the tracker, you would need to take out the tracker out of the band. The tracker can be charged easily with any USB port. In terms of battery, we have the 75 mAh battery in this tracker, and during our testing, we got the 10 days battery backup. And charging this tiny 75 mAh battery takes only 1 hour. You can charge this tracker with any USB port, so there is no hassle of carrying the charging cable with you. This tracker is IP67 certified, which means that it is water and dust proof, and you can wear this fitness tracker in rain and up to 1 meter water depth. So in terms of design and the build quality, this tracker is definitely pretty good, keeping in mind the price of it. But is this enough to be the best cheap Fitbit alternate? For that, let's find out what are the different functions and how does this tracker performs. So first, let me show you the functions of the tracker. It's a touchscreen, so one press will wake up the tracker and you have the time, weather and the date. And when you touch it again, you can go through the menu. So we have the step count, heart rate monitor, and this tracker does a continuous heart rate monitoring. Then we have the calories burned and the distance traveled. Now swiping down on the clock screen will show you some additional features. Here we have the messages, functions and training. In the messages you can see your text messages. Function has the option of watch faces, where you have the option to select between the two available watch faces. And then you have the tracker info, reset and the power off option. In the training menu, you can start the training session by long pressing the activity. And here we have the different activities such as running, cycling, badminton, basketball, football, table tennis and tennis. In terms of usability, going through the menu and using the tracker is pretty easy and straightforward. I really like the swipe gesture in the previous tracker, and it also works flawlessly in this version. Now let's connect the tracker to the app. The app is available for both Android and iOS, and recently they have updated their app. The app now looks amazing as compared to the previous version. So in the home screen of the app we have the info of the day, which shows you the step counts and calories burned. Then we have the quick activity selection for running, walking and cycling. There's also an auto sleep tracking which tracks your sleep behavior, and during our testing we found it pretty accurate. You can also give rating to your sleep and choose the state before you slept. And then the app shows you the sleep quality analysis with the score. The heart rate monitoring is accurate, and the tracker also does a continuous heart rate monitoring. And in the app, you can see the average, lowest and the highest beats per minute. The app also shows you the activity you have performed during the day by analyzing your heart rate. Then we have the device page, where you have the battery status and some other settings such as alarm, stand-up reminder and the smart reminders. In the smart reminder, you can select the timings in which you want the watch to notify you for calls and messages. And you can also add applications here for which you want the notifications on the watch. In other settings, we have the auto heart rate monitoring timing, time format, language, weather, and some other basic options. This tracker also supports raise to wake gesture, which works without any issue. And lastly, in the profile page, we have the goal settings, where you can see your step goals and the weight goal. You can also link this tracker to the Google Fit and the Strava account, which is good to see in this budget fitness tracker. So overall, the i6HR-C looks good and it is very comfortable to wear. Performance wise, this tracker does a very good job, and we have tested this tracker for almost a month and we found all the function works without any issue. The alert function like call, messages and other alerts works without any issue. The only issue which we have noticed that sometimes it calculates few additional steps when you use the tracker while riding a motorcycle, which I guess can be calibrated with a firmware upgrade. Apart from that, this tracker has lot of options which even some high cost and the branded tracker does not have. And things like gesture control, additional band, ease of charging and the 10 days battery backup make this fitness tracker from iWOWnFit definitely value for money and make this tracker a best Fitbit alternate. And we give this fitness tracker a big thumbs up, and as usual, if you like it and wants to buy one, don't forget to check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the fitness tracker from iWOWnFit. Let us know if you like this budget fitness tracker, and also if you use a fitness tracker, let us know the name in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.